Good morning, it's Thursday. This is Guru's Tech Bites, episode 41. Pour the coffee, silence the notifications, and let's look at the internet before it looks back at us and asks why the printer is still offline. First up, Linux gaming is apparently getting faster because Windows APIs keep turning into Linux kernel features. That's like borrowing your neighbor's lawnmower so many times he just installs a garage door on your house. The nerdy bit is compatibility layers and kernel work, making games smoother. But the normal person headline is wild. The Penguin is learning every Windows trick except asking to reboot during dinner. Second, a show HN project called Needle says it distilled Gemini-style tool calling into a 26 million parameter model. Tiny model, big job deciding which tool to use and how to call it, without dragging a whole data center diva onto the stage. Okay, that's something. If this keeps working, small businesses get cheaper agents, developers get faster local loops, and Microsoft gets another reason to rename Copilot again. Third, somebody wrote a guide to setting up a free locality domain, like a city.state.us address, and honestly, I love this boring civic internet stuff. It feels like finding a secret drawer in the town hall website labeled, "Yes, you may still own a useful piece of the web without selling a kidney." For builders, it is a reminder that trust and identity are infrastructure too, not just another blue checkmark store. And finally, Ars Technica has the security horror story of twin brothers allegedly wiping 96 government databases minutes after being fired. That's not an accident of you. That's two guys treating production like a piñata full of court exhibits. The lesson is painfully simple. Revoke access before the awkward meeting, keep backup you have actually tested, and never let one angry admin hold the entire county like it's a USB stick from 2004. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.